Wherever A comes, you have to apply 69.28. Wherever B comes, you have to apply 2.82. Where the maximum profit is available when you involve the machinery and the labor. So while you are solving the problem, your Y value should come 400, X value should come 200. Rows unsold at the end of the day are disposed of. No, nothing has been left over here, it has been disposed of. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, MYSURU. I am going to handle Statistics for Management, today model question paper, Part A. I divide the entire paper into two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A has got 4 questions, Part B has got 3 questions, totally 7 model questions I am going to solve. So all the questions has taken from the question paper and put one format here. I have not mentioned 2018, 2019 like this. I took the one question from the 2018, one question from 2019. I made a model paper. So 4 questions I am going to solve now this session. Another 3 questions I am going to solve in next session. So we'll move on to the model question paper, Part A. You go through the Part A, definitely it will help you from the examination point of view. All the chapters have been covered. All the question paper question has been covered with answer. Have a gap this one. Have a what's called practice of this. Definitely it will help you because final year B.B.A is a turning point of your life. Better to go through the problem carefully and find out. By chance still we have got a doubt. When you come to the offline class, you can ask me a question so that I can get you the answer to your questions. So, fit a straight line train. This is called least square method. The formula goes y is equal to a plus bx, where a is also unknown, b is also unknown, we say. Then, this is the production, this is the y we have got. What are the steps to be followed? I tell you. First, you have to add the y. This is it. You can add one by one. 58 plus 65 plus 72 plus 70 plus 65 plus 75 plus 80, 485. Sigma y, 485. So, totally is 485. Take the division. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. 7 years. Take the deviation here. You put the here 95. This is equal to 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Square this. X square is 9. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 0, 1, 4, 9. Add the figure. 28. Sigma x square is 28. Now, this is y. This is a x into y. 58 into 3 minus 174. 65 into 2 minus 130 minus 72. This is 0. 65. 75 into 2. 75 into 2. 150. 80 into 3. 240. This is positive figure. This is negative figure. Add 240 plus 150 plus 65. 455. This is total. Positive figure. This is 174 130 plus 72 minus 376. So positive is 455, negative is 376. I will repeat, 455 minus 376 is equal to, this is 79. 455, 376, 79. So sigma y is 485, sigma xy is 79. This is trend value are going to find out. So formula, y is equal to a plus bx, where a is equal to sigma y divided by n. What is sigma y? 485 divided by 7. 485 divided by 7. 69.28. B is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. What is sigma xy? See that? So your A is 69.28. Sigma xy is 79. Sigma x square 28. 79 divided by 28. 79 divided by 28. 2.82. This is the A value, this is the B value. You have to apply one by one year. Which is the first year you got? Y92. What's your A? 69.28 plus what's your B? 2.82 into X minus 3. This is 69.28 minus 2.82 into 3 minus 8.46. Deduct 69.28 minus 8.46. 60.82. Then Y93, 69.28 plus 2.82 into minus 2. Second, Y93, this year. Simplify, 69.28 minus 5.64. 69.28 minus 5.64. 63.64. Then Y94, 69.28 plus 2.82 into minus 1. 69.28 minus 2.82. 69.28 minus 2.82. 66.46. 66.46. First is 60, 63, 66.46. Then Y95. What's your A? 69.28 plus 95 is 0. 2.82 into 0. This is 69.28 plus 0 is 69.28. Y96. 69.28 plus 2.82 into 1, 96. This is 69.28 plus 2.82, 69.28 plus 2.82, 72.1. Y 97, 69.28 plus 2.82 into 2. Just go application of A. Wherever A comes, you have to apply 69.28. Wherever B comes, you have to apply 2.82. So this is 69.28 plus 5.64. 69.28 plus 5.64. 74.92. Last one, Y 98, 69.28 plus 2.82 into 3. Last year, this is 69.28 plus 2.82 into 3, 8.46 plus 69.28, 77.74. These are all called the trend values. Trend values. First year 92. First year 92, 60.82. 82. Second year 93. 92. 93, 63.64. Then 93, 94, 66.46. 95, 69.28. Then 96, 72.1. Then 97, 74.92. Last one, 77.74. 77.74. So these trend values you have to put in a what's called straight line trend. First you have to plot this, then you have to plot this. In how many years are there? 7 years are there. 7 years you have to shown on the x-axis, and these trend values should be shown on the y-axis. We'll move on to graph now. This is a graph. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So 1 year is equal to 1 centimeter. I have taken from the 40, 50, 60. So see that first one. You got 58. I mark the 58 here. Then 93. You got 65. 93, 65. This marked. 94, 72. 94, 72. 95, 70. 95, 70. 96, 65. 96, 65. Then 97, 75. 97, 75. 98, 80. This is the original line. Now, trend value you have to put here. This is the year, this is the sale. You go with the trend values. First one is 60.82. This is for 92, 60.82, mark here. Then 93, 92 over 93, 63.64, 63.64, 94, 66.46, 66, 94, 66.46, then 95, 69.28, 69.28, somewhere here, 96, 72.1, 96, 72.1, 97, 74.92, then 98, 77, straight line. Straight line. This is your straight line. This is the straight line trend. Just draw a line here like that. It's a straight line trend. So here has been 1 centimeter is equal to OX axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. OY axis. OY axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. So roughly I put this is straight line trend. This is the original value. Year has been mentioned here. Then sales has been mentioned here. So here I took from the 40 here. This is called the false line we say. So maximum is 90, straight line trend. This is the original line. Hope you understand this. We'll move on to next one. So the second model question paper goes to linear programming. So here make a program where the maximum profit is available when you involve the machinery and the labor where the maximum profit is available. A machine can produce either product A or B. The machine can produce either product A or B. Product A can be produced by using 2 units of chemicals and 1 unit of component. So they utilize 2 units of chemicals, 1 unit of compound. Product B can be produced using 1 unit of chemicals and 2 units of compound. So this is the constraints they are saying, how they have utilized. Only 800 units of chemicals and 1000 units of components are available. Per unit A, rupees 30, B, 20 respectively. Find the maximum total profit solved. Here per unit available, unit A is rupees 30 and B is 20 respectively. This should be put into a format. Now, here, let product A is equal to X. Let product B is equal to Y. So your maximum profit, they say per unit profit. Per unit profit. This is a profit of A, profit of B. So profit of A is equal to rupees 30. Profit of B is equal to rupees 2. This is a maximum profit. So maximum profit is represented by the word called Z. I'll show you. So let product A be is equal to X. Let product B is equal to Y. We have got only constraints are chemicals and compounds. You have only 2 components. One is the chemicals, one is the compound. Then what they say now? Here, either product A can produce by using 2 units of chemicals and 1 unit of compound. 2 units of chemicals, 1 unit of compound. Product X constraint, they utilize 2 units of chemical, 1 units of compound. Regarding the other one, product B can be produced by using 1 unit of chemicals and 2 units of compound. So chemicals, 1 unit of chemicals, 2 units of compound. The maximum units available, 800 and 1000. So 800 and 1000. This should be put into format. Objective function is equal to maximize Z in Z. Z is the maximum profit, 30x plus 20y. Profit of X is 30, profit of Y is 20. This is the maximum profit which you get. Constraint equation 2x plus 1y is equal to not more than 800. X plus 2y is equal to 1000. Non-negatively as per aspect, x and y should not more than be 0. This is your equation. 2x plus y is equal to 800. Another x plus 2y is equal to 1000. We'll put it now. First one, 2x plus y is equal to 800. Second one, x plus 2y is equal to 1000. What's the value of the x you can find out now? So if you want to get the 2x, this should be multiplied by, this is 1000. This should be multiplied by 2000. 2x plus 4y is equal to 2000. You keep as it is. 2x plus y is equal to 800. So simultaneous equation you have done. X plus y, 2x plus 4y is equal to 2000 2x. While deducting, this become minus, this become minus, this become minus. Cancel this. 3y is 1200. Y is equal to 1200 divided by 3 is equal to 400. So in y-axis, the value should come how much? 400 should come. Then you take one equation, x plus 2y is equal to 1000. X plus 2 into, what's the y value? 400 is equal to 1000. X plus 800 is equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000 minus 800 is equal to 200. So while you are solving the problem, your y value should come 400, x value should come 200. So you go one by one equation. First one, 2x plus y is equal to 800. 2x plus y is equal to 800. Put x is equal to 0. Then y becomes 800. Put y is equal to 0. What is left over? 2x is equal to 800. X is equal to 800 divided by 2 is 400. The values are y 800, x 400. We'll go to second equation. X plus 2y is equal to 1000. Put x is equal to 0. What is left over? 2y is equal to 1000. Y is equal to 1000 divided by 2 is 500. Put y is equal to 0. So what's the left over? X is equal to 1000. So in the first equation, your y value is 800, x value is 400. In the second equation, 500, 1000. Okay. So we'll show in the graph now. Graph sheet. I took 1 centimeter 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 I have taken. Then here in the first equation, if you take first equation, what's the here y is equal to how much? 800. X is equal to 400. X is here, no? First equation, 400, 200. Come back to first equation. First equation, what you have to draw? 400, first one, 2x plus 800, 400. 800 to 400. This line I had drawn, 800 to 400. I call this as B. Then, in the second equation, this is the first equation. What's your first equation goes? 2x plus y. This is 2x plus y. Then, in the second equation, you have got 500,000. So, here 1,500. 500 to 1,000, this line. 500 to 1,000. You call this as O. This is called A. This is called E. This is called B. For this line, I put this as A. For this line, I put this as B. And this cut both the line as C here. So here, what's your second equation? X plus 2y. X plus 2y. I put the draw here. I took the A here. For this line, I put the call B. This cuts on both the sides. It is called the E. One is, see that what's the answer you have got? First, when you solve the problem, what's your answer? 400, 200. 400 on y-axis. See that? 400 on y-axis. 200 is perfectly you have drawn. Here we have drawn the perfectly. This is your values. This is the value. So 200 as per the solvation, you got 200 on x-axis, 400 perfectly it has come. Cut down here, this is the E values. Then I solve the equation, see that? I solve the equation, put the values there. So now you take the, which are the four items are? O, A, E, B. So what are the items are? Feasible region, O, A, E, B. Feasible region. Feasible region, O, A, E, B. Region. Here, units, X, units, Y, profit, X, profit, Y, total profit. So your feasible region is OAEB. So X units, Y units, profit of X. Your maximum profit of X 30, 20. This is 30. This is 20. Maximum profit of X is 30. Maximum profit of Y is 20. Total profit. At the point O, 0. This. At the point A, Y-axis is 500. X-axis 0. Y-axis 500. This is 0 into 30. This is 500 into 20. $10,000. 2 5s are 10 followed by 3 0. 10,000. Then at the point E, x-axis is 200. Y-axis is 400. So 200 into 30 plus 400 into 20. So this comes to 6 followed by 30, 6,000. This comes to 8,000, 14,000. At the point B, X is 400, Y is 0. This is 400 into 30. This is 0 into 20. It comes to 12,000. So the maximum profit available at the point is 14,000. Maximum profit at the point E is equal to rupees 14,000. This is a maximum profit available at the point E. Maximum profit. I took the scale x-axis, y-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter is 100 units, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. You can take. So x-axis 1 centimeter is 100 units, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units. So beautifully it has been graphed here. This is the first equation. This is a product A here, product B here. All have been plotted beautifully here. See that I have brought it with a beautifully here. Hope you understand this. We'll move on to the last session now here. This is called decision theory. Question number 3. Decision theory. This is called decision theory. A flower vendor buys fresh roses at rupees 500 per box from a rose farm and sells at rupees 700. The cost price is 500 and selling price is 700. Rose unsold at the end of the day are disposed of. No, nothing has been left over here. It has been disposed of. The demand varies from 10 to 14 boxes in a day. Prepare a payoff table and an opportunity loss table with calculation of payoff and opportunity loss. Find the best alternative action under the following criteria. One is called Maximax, Maximum or Maximax criterion, Minimax criterion, Laplace criterion. I will show how to work out. The alternative course of actions are A1 is 10 to 14, A1 is 10, A2 is 11, A3 is 12, A4 is 13, A5 is 14. The state of natures are S1 is 10, S2 is 11, S3 is 12, S4 is 13, S5 is 14. You have to write this is the alternative course of action. This is the state of nature. This is the way you have to write in the exam. Okay. Then calculate what is payoff. Number of units sold multiplied by price per box, that is selling price per box, number of units bought, price per box means purchase price per box. So what is the first one? A1. When the vendor buys 10 boxes, A1 is equal to 10. So what's your cost price? 700. Here your selling price is 700. Your cost price is 500. 10 into 700, 10 into 500. It comes to 2000. So all we can take P11, all the 5, 10 into 700, 10 into 700, 10 into 700, 10 into 700. Here 10 into 500, 10 into 500, 10 into 500, 10 into 500. 5 times you have to do. This goes in favor of A1. Then when the vendor buys 11 boxes, so you must be careful here. This is called alternative course of action. So when you go 10 to 14, first 10 into 700, 10 into 700 for 5 times. When you go for 11, 10 into 700, 11 into 700, 11 into 700, 11 into 700, 4 times. In the purchase, no, you have to go with 11 into 500, 5 here, 11 into 500, 11 into 500, 11 into 500, 11 into 500, 11 into 500. When you go for 12 boxes A3, 10 into 700, 11 into 700, 12 into 700, 12 into 700, 12 into 700. Here, 12 into 500 one time, 12 into 500 two times, 12 into 500 three times, 12 into 500 four times, 12 into 500 four times you have to write. This goes to A3. When you go for A4, here you must be careful. 10 into 700, 11 into 700, 12 into 700, 13 into 700, 13 into 700. Here, 13 into 500, 13 into 500, 13 into 500, 13 into 500. The last step, when you go for 14 boxes, 10 into 700, 11 into 700, 12 into 700, 13 into 700, 14 into 700. Here, last one, 14 into 500, 14 into 500, 14 into 500, 14 into 500. By chance, in exam, if there is any unsold values of 30 kgs left over or 40 kgs left over, so what you have to know, plus 40 into first 40 kgs now, first 0, 0, 40 into 0, 40 into 0. Second step, 40 into 1, 40 into 0, 40 into 0. Next, if therefore 40 into 2, 40 into 1, 40 into 0. When you go for next one, 40 into 3, 40 into 2, 40 into 1, 40 into 0. Last time, 40 into 4, 40 into 3, 40 into 2, 40 into 1. That way you have to do. First, 0, 0, 0. If there are only 4 are there, 0, 0, 0. Next, 1, 0, 0, 0. Next, 2, 1, 0, 0. Last 4 step, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is for unsold. So, this can be put into format now. So, all comes to 200 here. All comes to 2000 here. So, this is when the box is 10. Then, when it's 11 boxes, no, 10 into 700, 11 into 500, it will come 1500, 2200, 2200, 2200, 2200. When it comes on 12, 10 into 700, and here 1000, 11 into 700, 12 into 500, 1700, 12 into 700, 12 into 500, 2400, 12 into 700, 12 into 500, 2400, 2400. This goes to 12. Then when it went to A4, 10 into 700, 13, 500, 1200, 1900, 2600, 2600. When they enter by 14 boxes, last one, 10 into 700, 11 into 700. Here all comes under 14, 13 into 700, 14 into 700. It comes to 0, 700, 1400, 2000, 2800. So first you have to multiply like this. Now, you put into format now payoff table. This is your state of nature, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. This is your A1, A2, A3, A4. This is A5. Okay. Your values, see that? What's your A1 values? All 2000. All 2000. 10,000. So A2 here 1500 plus 2200 plus 2200 plus 2200, 8100. Add this 1000 plus 1700 plus 2400 plus 2400 plus 2400, 9900. Add this. This is 500 plus 1200 plus 1900 plus 2600 plus 2600, 8800. Then 700 plus 1400 plus 2100 plus 2800. 7,000. This is total. So A1, A2, A3, you got so much. This is the inflows are there, alternative course of action. Now, what is the first question? Maximax. Last one. Here, if we take the row column now, when the vendor operated last table, which is the highest one? 2,000 is the highest one. Then 2,000 minus 1,500 is 500. You take 2,000 as this base. To opportunity last table, 2,000 minus 1,500 is 500. 2,000 minus 1,000 is 1,000. 2,500 is 1,500. 2,000 minus 0 is 2,000. This is 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Last table. Next, 11 boxes. Highest is 2,200. 2,200 minus 2,200. 2,200 is equal to 0. 2,200, 1,000 is 500. 2,200 minus 1,200 is 1,000. 2,200 minus 700 is 1,500. This is for 11. This is for 12. 8, 12. Highest is 2,400. Minus 2,000 is 400. 2,400 is 2,200. Then 2,400 minus 0. Highest deduct. Last one. 2,600 minus 2,000 is 600. So same thing. From the highest you deduct this. Then 14 by highest is 2,800. See that? 2,800. Here 2,600. Here 2,400. Once you have done the last table, S1, S1, S2, S2. Highest is 0. Deduct 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Second 200, 0, 500, 1,000, 1,500. 400, 200, 0, 500, 1,000. 600, 400, 200, 0, 500. 800, 600, 400, 0. So this is the way they have got. So they will be put in the table now, payoff table. The maximum payoff, A1 is, see that here in the payoff table, which is the highest one, 2,000. Then we write here, the maximum payoff act, A1 is 2,000. A2 is 2,200, A3 is 2,400, A4 is 2,600, A5 is 2,800. The maximum among them, maximum payoff is 2,800 in A5. Therefore, A5 is the best act. A5 is highest, is the best act. Then in the minimax, no, first you take the maximum. Maximum of A1 is 800. See that? Regret. The maximum is how much? 800. Here maximum is 600. Here maximum is 1,000. Here maximum is 1,500. Here maximum is 2,000. See that? The maximum is 800. A2 is 600. A3 is 1,000, A4 is 1,500, A5 is 2. Among them, which is the minimum? Which is the minimum here? Maximum regrets is 600 in A2, which is the lowest one. Because the last we are going to, among the highest, you have to take the lowest one. First one, highest to highest, maximum to maximum you have to take. Here for maximum regret table, for a maximum minimum to shade, what is the minimum is? A2. So A2 is the best tag. So maximum to maximum, maximum to minimum. This is. Then Laplace table. So you have to total payoff act. A1 is 10,000. A2. So this is 1,500 plus 2,200 plus 2,200 plus 2,200 plus 2,200. 10,300. 10,300. Then, so 10,300. Next is 9,900. 9,900. Then 9,000 and 8,800. Last is 7,000 respectively. Last see that 7,000. So 10,000, 10,300, 9,900, 8,000, 7,000. 10,000, 10,000 to 9,000, 8,000 respectively. There are 5 events and therefore probability of occurrence is 1 by 5 equal. So 10,000 divided by 5 is 2,000. 10,300 divided by 5 is 2,060. A3, 9,900 divided by 5 is 1,980. A4, 8,800 divided by 5 is 1,760. A5, 7,500. Among them, which is the highest one? See that the highest average payoff is 2,060, which corresponding to Act A2. Therefore, A2 is the best act. A2 is the best act. Hope you understand. But lengthy problem, but slowly we can understand, because this type of problem will come in the examination of point 2. Now you solve 115 marks of least square, 115 marks of linear program, 115 marks of decision theory. Totally 45 marks have been covered. So all these have been best of here. So this goes to first one. This is the first least square method, where A is equal to sigma y divided by n, B is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. This formula you have to apply. So this goes to least square method, unit 1. Then you got, this is the line we have. This is called linear programming. This goes to unit 2. So this you have to construct very carefully. Chemicals A require, product A require 2 of chemicals, 1 of compound. Product Y requires 1 of chemicals, 2 of compound. The maximum units available is 800 and 1000. So maximum profit is 30 and 38. I put in a format. In exam, no. First you solve this equation, find out how much will come in the x-axis, how much will come in the y-axis, so that we can easily draw the graph. Here y-axis how much? 400, y is 200. See that how it graph has come? See that 400. Another back, beautifully it has come. Exactly 400, exactly 200 is come. This is the first equation. I put this as A, this as B, this as E. So 4 items are O, A, E, B. O, A. At the point O, x units, x is 0, 0. At the point A, x is 0, 500, 500 into 20,000. At the E, 200, 400, 200 into the T-phone, 14,000. At the point B, x is 400, 0, 400 into the T is 12,000. So the maximum profit available is 14,000. So this is addition theory, definite problem. All the problems are definite from the examination point of view. All the problems are definite. All the 3 problems will come from the examination point of view. Each one carries 15 marks, and I solved all these are all taken from the question paper, and it has been solved so much easy, and hope you understand. We'll have another section part B tomorrow. Hope you understand what I'm saying. I have solved about the 4 problems. So all the 3 problems, first on linear program, then we have got a addition. First one least square, then he has got a linear program, then addition from. All the problems are good here. So follow that. Definitely it will fetch a good marks to you. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.